Hello friends, we will see something today about body shopping. This is the term which is used in corporate world, and that too especially in the information technology and consulting industries. This is a practice of recruiting skilled professionals and leasing them out to other companies. And this leasing is on project basis or contractual basis. And this body shopping has attracted attention because of its widespread use in technology-driven economies. The term body shopping evolved during the latter part of 20th century. Basically, we know that there is a lot of advancement in technology in last 4 decades or so. This advancement of technology and IT is amazing. If we look to the various parts of this technology and IT, we find that so many developments have taken place in hardware. Like there are so many microprocessors, there are smartphones, there are tablets, there are supercomputers. So far as software is concerned, there are many operating systems now. And we have come across artificial intelligence involving robotics, natural language, processing, machine learning, automation, and cloud computing also. If we go to internet, we find there are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and whatnot. A problem has cropped up regarding cyber security, which is also a different area. Then there may be virtual reality or augmented reality. And that has brought new technology in education, healthcare, as well as gaming. Another area of technology is regarding blockchain. And we know that in financial transactions, this technology is used on a very wide scale. There is quantum computer also, and that helps in research. See the area, the vast area where the technology is progressing, advancing like anything. And this has created lots of opportunities in various fields, including science, technology, research, engineering, banking, insurance, investments, administration, management, etc. So if we consider the speed with which this advancement is taking place, we consider the spread of this technology, and we consider the volume of its application, it goes without saying that there has to be a shortage of skilled professionals in all these fields. Naturally, to address this gap, some agencies have started playing the role. These agencies recruit the professionals. Initially, they started the profession as service providers or consultants. But initial role of consultants changed to intermediaries or agencies or middlemen. And these middlemen or agencies are called as body shops. The word body here refers to the persons, the technicians, the professionals who help industry, corporates to bridge the gap so far as technology is concerned. So what they do actually, the role or the mechanism of body shopping is, as the first step, these body shoppers recruit the professionals. We may call them as service providers, they recruit the skilled professionals often on full-time basis. So they become the employers. Once they recruit these technicians, professionals, experts, they deploy them. And these employees are then leased out to client organizations for project-based works. This is the second step. And the third step is revenue generation. So these body shops or the middlemen or the agents or the service providers, they charge a fee to the clients and they pay the salary to the employees that they have recruited. So they pay the salaries on one hand, that is their outflow, and they make the billing to the corporates to whom they provide these experts. These are the three steps in the mechanism of body shopping. In short, they recruit, they deploy, and they generate the revenue. This model is prevalent in industries requiring specialized technical expertise such as IT services, software development, engineering, etc. In other words, this is nothing but commoditization of human resource. So these technicians or professionals are treated as a commodity. On one side, these body shoppers buy them in the form of recruiting them, paying them the salaries, and then deploying them to the industry or the concerned corporates. This is in short body shopping. Now a question may come to your mind that what are the advantages of this body shopping? Needless to say, for the clients who take the services of these body shoppers, for them there is a flexibility. The client companies can scale their workforce up or down depending upon the project requirements without any long-term commitment of permanent hiring. So whenever they have the jobs, they have the contracts, they will ask the body shoppers to supply that type of human resource expertise until the time the contract is done, the work is completed, the contract is done. Well, they will hire these people, and once that contract is over, well, they need not continue their employment. So this is the flexibility to the clients. The second advantage is the cost efficiency. The client can save a lot on recruitment, training, employee benefits, and even salary of such experts, because all these things are taken care of by these body shoppers, by the middleman, by the agent. So the cost is borne by the body shopper. He charges the fees and therefore it becomes cost efficient to the client. The third main advantage of body shopping is the access to expertise. The client need not select these experts, need not spend time for making the selection, hunting the experts. That job is all handed over to body shoppers. They do this job and naturally therefore they have good access to the experts, and client can get the advantage of this access to expertise. One more advantage of body shopping is employment opportunities. The professionals, the experts, the technicians may not be in a position to search the opportunities for them. This job is done by body shoppers. So they recruit them and they can send them, deploy them at various places. And this is a very common thing in 21st century. Many countries, including India, US, they have been dealing with such body shopping activities. Is there any criticism for this? Yes, surely. Once we understand the meaning of it and the mechanism of it, one can very easily imagine what could be the negative part of body shopping? The first negative part is the commoditization of talents. The human being is just treated as a commodity, and he is hired on one hand, sent to the job to the client whenever and till the time there is the requirement, he will work there, otherwise he will come back. So this becomes commoditization of talent. Second disadvantage is regarding job insecurity. The talent doesn't get a permanent job opportunity. The body shoppers don't assure anything, though they recruit on full-time basis, but basically there is uncertainty of job tenure. A matter may also come up regarding ethical concerns, because many companies exploit this model by underpaying the employees. So they pay less to the employees and charge more and more to the client depending upon the need of the client. And this has also a negative impact on local workforce, because these experts may come from any part of the world, and local workforce may not get the opportunity of employment. Even though these are some of the negative aspects, we find that this body shopping is developed on a very large scale and at almost all the countries. Wherever there is a technical need and whenever there is technical expertise. What will happen in the future? Basically, this will continue because the technical advancement is very fast and widespread, and there is going to be always a gap of availability of expertise in technical field, in IT field, and hence there has to be some agency, some middleman doing this job of hunting the experts and deploying them to the needy clients. So this is going to be there for years to come. It is therefore, in short, a double-edged sword. It has some advantages and it has some disadvantages too. But the thing is, body shopping is going to stay. That's all today. Let us meet next time with some other concept. Thank you.